Hello friends, welcome back to YouTube channel Easy Biology Tutorials. Today we will see the molecules and their interaction towards biology. We all know that atom is the basic unit of biotic and abiotic component of this planet, and we will see the atom, molecules and their interaction towards the biology. Here we can see the structure of an atom, which consists of nucleus and electron. The many atoms come together and they can interact with each other, can form bonds. When two or more atoms come together and forms a molecule, such molecule can be macromolecule or micromolecule. When micromolecule and macromolecule along with their energy, they can form a system. Such systems having capability to grow and reproduce into new generation are called as life. Some atoms come together to form molecule, molecule to structure, structure to system, and when such systems are capable to grow and reproduce themselves into new generation are called as life. So, the molecules and their interaction related to biology. The periodic table and one-not elements of the periodic table are responsible for the biotic and abiotic component of this planet. So we will see the structure of an atom. In the center or core, the nucleus is present. The nucleus consists of two components. One is neutron, that is neutral, means no charge present on it, while the second is proton. Proton is positively charged, and third one is electron. Electron is rotating around the orbital of that nucleus of the atom. Every atom having zero net charge at neutral condition. Nucleons consist of positive proton and neutral neutron, makes 1 plus charge, and electrons negatively charge, minus 1 charge. So calculation is zero net charge. Atomic mass unit, AMU. Every atom having its own mass, and that mass can be calculated by the number of protons plus number of neutrons of that specific atom. The mass of proton is equal to 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 24 grams, while the mass of neutron is 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 24 grams, that is slightly higher than proton. And the mass of electron, that is 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 28 grams, that is 1800 times smaller than proton and neutron. Atomic mass is calculated in Dalton. So 1 Dalton is equal to mass of proton, that is 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 24 grams. We will see the numericals on that information. Calculate the atomic mass unit of carbon. Atomic number is 6. Here we can see an atom of carbon. In the nucleus, the 6 proton and 6 neutron are present. It is our hint. The number of proton is equal to 6 and number of neutron is equal to 6. So we know atomic mass unit is calculated by number of proton plus number of neutron. So our answer will be 12 Dalton. And if we need to calculate in grams, then 12 into 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 24. Answer will be 19.92 into 10 raised to power minus 24 grams. The other question. Calculate the atomic mass unit of oxygen. The atomic number of oxygen is 6. You can comment your answer in comment box. The amino acid and the nucleic acid are the basic components of life. Cytosine, guanine, adenine, uracil are the single nucleotides, and when they form pair becomes base pair. So we will see the average mass units of one amino acid is equal to 110 Daltons, while one nucleic acid is equal to 330 Daltons, and one base pair is equal to 660 Daltons, double of nucleic acid. So question on it, calculate the mass of one DNA strand of 250 base pairs. Hint is DNA is made up of nucleotide. Two nucleotide forms one base pair. That is correct information. So answer will be one base pair is equal to 660 Daltons. So 250 base pair is equal to multiplication of 250 into 660. That means 1,65,000 Daltons. We can write it 165 kilodalton. Another question, mass of immunoglobulins light chain is 25 kilodaltons. How many amino acids are incorporated in both light and heavy chains? Okay, this is a tricky question. The hint is immunoglobulin has light chain and heavy chain. The mass of heavy chain is twice of light chain. Okay, so answer, immunoglobulin's light chain has mass 25 kilodalton, that means 25,000 daltons, and mass of one amino acid is 110 dalton. Here light chain is 25, means 25,000 divided by 110 means 227 amino acids. Likewise the heavy chain will be 50,000 daltons divided by 110 is equal to approximately 454 amino acids will be incorporated in it. You can pause the video and calculate. The practice question for you, number 1, calculate the base pairs of human genome. Human genome is 3 picogram. And the second one, protein of 200 amino acids binded with another protein of 15 kilodalton. Calculate the total mass. Friends, you can comment your answer in comment box. The upcoming video topic is bonding of these molecules. Thanks for watching this video.